waiting for this to start. Okay, there we go. Hi, my name is Brian Reed, and this is my screencast for my project. First, I'll show you my code here. This is my HTML page, or the index that we were required to have. And here's the form. Actually, I can go ahead and remove that right there because, as this states, you can explain some problems you have. And I could not get the initial form screen to accept any of the styles that I was creating, so I'm not sure what was going on with that. So I can get rid of that class. Anyway, here in the form, it contains this, which was required, at least in the previous activity, so I assume it was again. And the action is it would go to the new user.php. So I collect the first name, the last name, the username, and the password, and then an opportunity to upload a file. And then in the new user PHP, I link to a style sheet here. And again, this was an attempt to try and make that work, and that didn't work, so I'll remove that. And here is the part that accepts the uploaded file. And here is the array that, here's the where all of the variables from the form get put into the array. Now I just closed this because I tried to do the check, the verification of the file type, and for some reason I couldn't get it to output at the bottom, so I went ahead and I erased the part at the bottom, so I can't show you, but I saved this in case I can get it to work later. And then this would be creating the instance of the array, and then I'm echoing out everything here. So now I'll go ahead and take you to the form itself. Again, there's no styling because I could not get it to style. I'm not entirely sure why, but here's a demonstration. First name Brian Reed, Brian020283 for my birthday, and password. I already loaded a file here, but I'll do it anyway to show it works. So it's just a picture of me. And now I will hit submit. So it shows here the file is valid and everything that it spits out there. And just, you know what? Why isn't my image showing up? Oh, okay. I don't know why it didn't show up just now, but there's my image. And here is the encrypted password, which again I'll show you. Where is it? Right here. That's where it does that. Okay. Make sure I'm not missing anything. I learned quite a bit this week. A lot of it seemed to be like JavaScript, so that was very helpful. It was a lot of material, and it was a little short on time because I work 5 days a week and also have a part-time job and a son. So it was really hectic, but I did learn quite a bit. I really liked learning about the hashing and salting of passwords. Thought that was really cool. And that is pretty much it. I wish I could have done it a little bit better, but I've been doing this for about a day and a half now, and I still can't seem to get those aspects to go. So I apologize for that. I wish I could have had it working a bit better. But it does do most of what is required, other than checking the file type and, working on some of the styling and really making it more professionally presented. Learning a new language and doing all of that at the same time is a little hard. If I had more time, I probably would have been able to do that. But thank you. Anyway, that is my movie.